Hello, everyone. My name is Justin Mangelsdorf. I am the president of Diamond Dental Supply, and I am incredibly honored and excited to be a part of this with you all today. And I want to give a very special thank you to Doctors Rolling, Ross, and Birchman, and for inviting us in to be a sponsor and to share a little bit about our company and the products that we do offer. Diamond Dental Supply is I would describe it as a boutique technology distribution company. We are nationwide, full service. We have customers in every single state and actually have a footprint into Canada, which we'll be making more of a concerted effort up there in the next year or so. But our company really was founded by trying to identify the absolute best in multiple categories of technology. So if you look here at this slide, you'll see our different product categories that we focus on. We do have a few other products outside of this, but this does summarize our core. So piezo surgery, 3D imaging, CBCT, PBM, which is what we're here today to talk about a little bit, oral cancer screening, occlusion mapping, 2D sensors, and laser technology. The companies that we actually work with are these companies here. So Piezo Surgery, which was the founder of all piezo surgery, the original inventor in Italy. Prexion, CBCT, Medex, of course, we'll talk a little bit about here for the next few minutes. Velscope, TechScan, CareStream, and DECA CO2 lasers. What we're really excited about today is the Medex. We are currently the only distributor in North America for the PBM unit offered by Medex. And to me, this is one of the most exciting and sleeping giants in the industry. It's something that we are focusing on more and more and bringing into our courses that we participate in. And I'm only going to show one clinical case because I know you're getting an entire day of the best education possible. So I'm really going to be very light on clinical application, but this one case, when I saw it, really sums up the power of what this technology can do. Just enhancing the healing process and so on. So this was done with a MedX unit, 6 treatments spaced over 10 days, and you can see the radical improvement in that facial bruise. The two products that we do have through MedX, I will spend just a few minutes on, and then turn it back over to everybody else that you were, I'm sure, very excited to hear from. But the MedX Oralase dental system is one of 2 products that we offer from MedX, and this unit was specifically designed for dental intraoral application. Specifically, if you notice the wavelength at 808 nanometers, which is different from the clusters, which is the other unit that we do have. But specifically, if you notice the 2 intraoral tips, both with an 8 millimeter treatment area diameter, and the length of those just is strictly for access and convenience. But those are designed to go in the mouth, in the oral cavity, and specifically target indications and tissues intraorally. As you are learning today, there are different jewel settings that you want if you want either healing or inhibitory. So this unit can be preset for 2 joules, 4 joules, or 8 joules with a touch of a button. Then when you pull that little trigger there on the side, it will stay on for exactly the right duration to administer that much energy into the target tissue. So it's incredibly easy, foolproof to use, very straightforward, and just an absolute incredible addition to any dental practice. Here is another picture of it on the left, and this actually shows a little bit clearer the 2 intraoral tips that come with it. And I'm not going to spend time today to go through all of the clinical indications or the implications of them because, as I said before, you're in the best hands in the industry getting the best education on it. But for surgery and extractions, pediatric anesthetic, implants and crown, endo, soft tissue lesions, whether they're herpetic lesions or cold sores, abscess ulcers, scaling sensitivity, dentin hypersensitivity, perio, and so on. When you purchase the unit, you do get, this is just a very quick snapshot of treatment guidelines. Probably difficult to see on your screen, but you'll notice, for example, restorative, 8 to 32 joules, flap, 2 joules, and it actually gives you a treatment location. So you would set the unit for the required joules, pull the button, and it automatically administers it. The second unit we have is the MedX Home unit. This is designed for more general use. The price point is a little lower on this one. You'll notice that the range of light application is slightly different, more diffuse. And this is great adjunct where you can pre-program the settings, your staff can use it, you can actually send it home with the patients. And again, not going into all the indications, I know that you're learning a lot from the different applications between the LED pads versus the more concentrated unit of delivery. So I just want to close this out. I know some of you will have questions when we're on this. And so I do want to say that we do have a special promotion for each of you who are participating in today's course. But regardless if you get it today or through any other venue, with Diamond Dental, with every purchase, you do get a 30-minute training video performed by Dr. Jerry Ross, who is one of your educators today, specific to Medex, where Dr. Ross goes through multiple clinical applications, settings, how to use it, a repeat of some of the science. Absolutely invaluable video. Ongoing clinical support. Our Vice President of Clinical Affairs is a dentist and is trained in not only PBM technology, but lasers, cone beam. He is no longer in clinical practice, but works for us full-time. Nationally known lecturing doctor from years past. So we're excited to provide that level of support and ongoing access to everybody who we work with. The other thing we do, which is unique, is we have preferential pricing on all future purchases. So once you purchase something from us, if you ever are interested in other technology, whether it's more of a therapeutic laser or surgical laser, imaging, we have price tiers for existing customers. So this would grant you access to that in the future, and also a 1-year full warranty. The one thing that I have done with GMA for you guys specifically is we are offering a 10% coupon code with free shipping, and you'll notice there on the screen it's GMA10. We do have an expiration time on that of 72 hours, so you don't have to rush out immediately if you're interested. But if you are interested in purchasing either one of these units, you would simply go to diamonddentalsupply.com, and I have a few slides to walk you through what our site looks like. Once you go to Diamond Dental Supply, you'll see it's circled in the top, the shop. You would click that. You would then click Medex, and there we have the 2 units. You would just add them to the cart, whichever one you like. And this is important. This is where you get your 10%. In that coupon code, that's where you would put GMA10, apply coupon. So if you notice this pricing, this unit runs $35.95. You see it has shipping, full price, but you add that code and you'll notice you get a 10% off and the free shipping kicks in. So it's very straightforward, very simple. We're here to help you. Again, my name is Justin Mangelsdorf. Here on this screen, please take a note of my personal cell phone, my email address. We have a whole team of people to help you, but you have access to me anytime you need it. And that's all. Thank you very much. Appreciate your time and excited about this event that we're all in today.